Onya before.
Oya day.
Before crampeno. Baye crampeno. Baye wasasi so bronsa Monsieur Bronsa mo crampeno. Obronsa monye nipa obronsa monye nipa bone za o.
Aha.
Obronsa monye nipa bone. Okudzato a necessary that defidie no. Necessary that me yes me bonfire pa say. Me bonfire say plane bi e beba Ghana bia no. E Ghana sika na e de toy. Na mo monfu bi. Ense so honest me jamfi. Ena
Abuzavo mamunyina makwa ba de Ghana and Sam TV so. But one more like video, subscribe to the channel, no attend notification. But next time, videos of this nature about some sabit makabi. Now watch our comment section. So the money me from Mr. President, Madaroma. If by chance it may offer when you feel impressed with our works. Now person boy may sit here studio ya ni idea. But your number and that's with my reach out to you. In some kind of episode maybe any budget plan better was so. Because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media. And the BR said the end of on back to back, sir. Tim will be a part of this family. Support us and we'll be so much grateful. Now, Busunya baby will be a home video and watch out to say Adudi Nyame is working. Adudi Nyame is working. Now, Zungu boys be ne some other guys be a 2024 omuyi omoyem 2 omunsiwo. Try you run another than go for the friend dear Kwasia, a friend dear a shen in the with social media.
Onya before.
Oya day.
Before crampeno. Baye crampeno. Baye wasasi so bronsa Monsieur Bronsa mo crampeno. Obronsa monye nipa bone za o.
Aha.
Obronsa monye nipa bone. Okudzato a necessary that defidie no. Necessary that me yes me bonfire pa say. Me bonfire say plane bi e beba Ghana bia no. E Ghana sika na e de toy. Na mo monfu bi. Ense so honest me jamfi. Ena Sam George omo me ense so bi afu bi. Ense so bi afu sa plane bi. Omo fo a ombeti omo sape. Another scam. Bioma private jet na private jet ya no mu akoto no gold na ya pegu ona omukoto ni cheap no aban ni ton ni cheap na ono toye no ena wasa beton no wanya hu sika emfaso no de akokoto plane no enti me se scam na ya de omo no wo momoja mu na momu nim sa gold no omo ton ye no gold na ya keep anka price be mo e beton no mokoton ne fofofo
Ana mo de akoto jet no
ena esesi ane bo ye den no ena ya sa akoto I te say Felix wo beton ade
NBC yenim se mo be ya sanka ya anye o mu bitim woden papa emrantie me maba one da so gu from was struggling calling you day and night mumfa na de mu ye emrantie kuma wa mudu wa mun kwato ho eje campaign mamu school sum wo prepresi akọ yesi computer hwane so and yan kakai and we dina the consay for 45 minutes to 1 hour yesi en traw kon bonne bay and why morben na mun takate ho ha o say me no se muntaka se mu bese ya me kwaka bi pe yese wotan no yati krom ha ementokwasi enough nipa more than 3,000 etumi kwa vehicles wa bla na okunsi ye nipa more than 3,000 ni o interior minister te krom ha didi nom da ni woni de ekoso. Look at a fine IGP like Christian Tete Hono say the among yen one. Me say na national security for ya e wo so mo pick intelligence e de bremo no asoja fo wo mo say akatua modema wo mo at the end of the month as national security operatives I have 450 Ghana. Is it true? I am no clear. Say soja ni amafa me so me national security ni Bosom so amoma 450 Ghana. Ni. Almost say na do woso. Now omo on the 15th of every month, omo 1,500. Omo 1,500. Bosom ne kwa wie no a 30th no omo 500 Ghana account. Na 2,000 Ghana. Omo CNDC buy. Omo 450 cedis. Is it true? Say national security free. Yes, party boys in go and mpodie. Omo asem omo bokraten obia. It is say national security free ya Daniel Langas okruma. Obeti yes aban asase omo akoso omo kofa. Na owura jeto ni wasesa nkrofo ni akọ ni akọ omo akopam omo na omo sakọ ha na omo sakọ ha na omo sakọ ha ene obekọ ba bia ye ba asase ho ba na obekọ kodu nala national security free. Anano Animal Research Institute yako national security anano pokuase aban asase da we yako na yi national security omuni adwuma ye itibese kwa adwuma no de akire because ye no kura dia na you very bad and you very sad and muntaka. What the hell is going on? Besine abaya bapawa MMDCs, they are complaining bitterly. Uko kampa ya bepamo. Utobia ya di notewo. MMDCs. At a free airport, you are call office. At the babes no market ya kramai. Intia muka. Intia wamuka. Ewa juma boyeno. It is so big baho. No be who MMDC bi. Nasa waso buanwa. Wako first karwa he. And the scansho abane di banyano. Abane chred wa mumfankwaye. Iti kapreni ho. Is it true?
Na fo asabi ye mu fa kase asi ye nsua nyansa adwumani e mete santasi apre bebu adumasa me fa ka previous government na ye 5 cedi ene metua 6 cedis fu e ko fom emfa so de ben pa na manya Ghana fu e ko fom empaboa ani e tonu 200 cedis ene ya 300 ni ade dollar e ko fom fa so de ben na de abrami timamuni fa so de ben ye maamenom nano da mi hu say ye maamenom e wo vote abubo kojan adaya education minister Haruna Idrisu ji omoma 2000 BC John Mahama emphasis kan kom ministry ho si emfam pretend kranta ama mumma enya so nso hwe no na Haruna Idrisu akoton na nantwie ohun na ono hu na nyinsen wo ba no waton na nantwie ana waton ni fie ye ne mada achie ni daso e de akoya printing ama o ma akotworo nyasa ena mo pese mo gu papa na adwuma a wo ye ni ma de adwuma na Mahama wo ye oba ye wo hye mu kase ni aduane ma ye o ye de adwuma ana John Mahama kase wo de anantwie ni mponche be ye nkwan ama ye nuanu ma ekọ secondary school mu nkobusa nkora no so oba ye nkora no no mayi aponche nkwan propaganda say ya propaganda ube konzongo no ono nko a ni pickups be nsia na sisi wo na wo de atwe anan eserema na nantwie ne mponche ne nwan na nkwada no mu bi wo ho enya ni omumfo mabrabonye ebinim adane cigarettes smokers we smokers drunkards ni omu gugu ho ebinim twe atuo ni akogina kwan mu eno no omope o si ye de ye party nie on kanyansa sem bia nkyere sa akra no aban ne mra no ono nko ane personal interest NDC fo dodo na atirimupo ne o ma adwene no a o de tikrom ha ye tikrom ha ni ya hyehyɛ gisajala bia ni ya confuse nkorai dabi aban ne ba no ono nko a ti minim obi krom ha me district ya asesa ne manyina akogu abrochire enkwada e wo nzongo ho nyina anonum wi ne tramo asai because omo abatan no eni adwene ne mama na ewo krom ha aka na ya bie store no musisi ya no ne mama manyina agu abrochire nzongo ho nkwada nyina anonum cigarette wi ne yayi jotonom asai personal interest aban obeba be yen hyehyeye na be benefit o man nyina da bi omompe aha aban sa de oye kohwini wonya adwuma da bi aban obeba na nkwade kotwuro BC omu betua 0 cedis Ghana fo mpe fasika no ma no no mfa ntu ni botomuni dine wa sorry uti se dwanini twe camera si ni ho so da bia ye sopa ayi mutaka ye dey recruitment be na course a NDC mpanimfo with the vice ne president yo sisu enyawe mutaka SYZ TV ni ya sorry Mugabe num ne ho ahwanom asori da bia da mutaka ye muden otomode ya wantua Mugabe yenyi atitibini minister wokurom ha umeko journalism 3 years ni ye ma wayi ministerial appointment unya wate unya yama okaba akubi dem ama ofie ba akubi aka wanu tum nete na ho na atitibini minister ni kurom ha aha zumi lion de yeso ye de ama yi ti unya na mumu omudin na ade adwuma ana papa na adwuma opese wa ye ana opese ogu na nimu ase di adwuma na mahama ba ye wo ye yato akuafo kokko bepem ne akuafo nya sika kura de to aduane adi we ni adwuma no di adwuma na John Mahama ba ye wo ye montu aba ma banya asabi na nhihye ye benya effect ni nsunsanso wo mo mada ache so mo ahiafo mo seda ena odi konya abokum o ye me kwaku ye bo a o ye me kwaku ye bo a me ba kro gina crèche sika kura metua ne fees ya che obi ba okọ university me wo ye me onwo osere onto aba ya nto aba na yaka ya party on za mo bere grassroots fo mo bere wan ko school Okudzato ni ye be fa awo enki yen koma wo pane ye ne kowo obi kunu wo ho na ye mfa adwuma be na wokurom ha 24 hour economy na ba ye adwuma na wo wi ni ye be fa Okudzato ya mo adwuma de bi wo kurom ha bebere si go so kwan no so start free yi mankra so doko pia yi emem si so doko pia mem wie na ba gi sika o me ho Usimu nsuya nyansa se oman.
Okudzato Ablakwa, very reckless guy. I don't know why your mama appointed him. Say onkonkoye a foreign affairs minister. Yenti Okudzato.
Well, everybody knows that Ghana has a defense cooperation agreement with the US, approved by our parliament, and not only with the US, but with many other strategic partners, including the UK, a number of Gulf states. We do these things in our strategic national interest, and we are also careful to draw the lines. And so there's a red line. We do not accept military bases in our country. And I'm sure that what is happening in the Middle East now vindicates Ghana's position. We have historically prevented Western powers from establishing military bases in our country. And I believe that those who initially were not sure why Ghana was very stern about this position now appreciate that. Having said that, we also take the view that any cooperation, any intervention must be on a case-by-case basis, and there has to be express approval. So the recent attacks in Nigeria, the Nigerians will confirm to you that they invited the Americans, and they also reached out to Ghana to collaborate.
The Nigerians?
Yes, both the Nigerians and the Americans. So that's how we are playing this out. Sovereignty has to be respected. Territorial integrity has to be respected. You must be invited. And we must all agree on the scope of the intervention, because we do not want this to lead to another Venezuelan situation or some other, geopolitical matter, because sovereignty is important, territorial integrity is important. We must know exactly what the scope is, what you are coming to do, the nature of the intervention. It's very, very important. I mean, our citizens would not forgive us, and legitimately so.
Keep quiet. He has zero knowledge what international relations and diplomacy. He's only using mere words. And I'm speaking to you as an expert of international relations and diplomacy. So territorial integrity is important. Sovereignty is important. Edebe is important. But if territorial integrity is important, sovereignty is important. How does that even fit into the argument you've made to the point that diplomatic documents, diplomatic arrangement between two states and such?
Yo, we NDC, Duku.